Chamomile's health benefits. It improves digestion. It's a powerful digestive relaxant and is used to treat various gastrointestinal disorders including flatulence, acid reflux, indigestion, diarrhea, anorexia, nausea, and vomiting. It can also help in cases of diarrhea and cramping in children. Many of these benefits are due to their natural relaxing effects. According to studies, the brain and intestine communicate directly through the vagus nerve, so a more relaxed mind can help with any bowel problems. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory action due to the betaine it contains. So if you have an area that needs to be sanitized more carefully, chamomile is great for that because it relieves pain, swelling, and redness. It prevents premature aging. Because it's rich in antioxidants, chamomile can stop the free radicals that cause premature aging and damage the quality and health of our skin and hair. It strengthens our immune system. Chamomile can fight against dangerous bacteria and thereby strengthen our immune system. It relaxes muscles and reduces menstrual cramps. Chamomile has effects that soothe our nerves and muscles, so we can drink it to relax after a long, stressful day. It is also widely used by women to relieve menstrual cramps, since it helps relax the muscles of the uterus, which causes the pain to subside. Acts against sleep disorders. Since it acts on muscle relaxation, chamomile can be a great choice for those who suffer from sleep disorders, especially insomnia. For this specific case, chamomile is an excellent home remedy to combat nervous problems and help you get a good night's sleep. A good way to consume chamomile is through a chamomile tea. All you have to do is boil a cup of water and add 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers. Cover and let it steep for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, strain your tea and drink it. This tea should be drunk 3 times a day, and if necessary can be sweetened with a teaspoon of honey. As we have said before, the tea is harmless, but should not be consumed in excess. Like everything in life, the right dosage will do your body good.